So here's the drunk with a busted thumb on his daughter's 16th birthday. Trying to open a bottle with another bottle. Almost stitches. This is what we could do. He's lost about a pint of blood. My dad's holding him together. We're about to do a transfusion of blood here. We're going to see if anybody here is the blood type that he needs.
Are you still bleeding?
But,
I'm gonna see that on YouTube. Watch.
Gabby's calm. Vitals coherent. With a Corona in his other hand there. Let's see the Corona. There it is with blood.
Oh, another one.
Uh-oh.
Beer, damn it.
Wasn't just one. Look at that.
Yeah, hold this one, right? Yeah.
That's not a Redding pen, guys.
YouTube.
Now let us clean. That is a
Give me one.
that is a deep gouge.
Damn! He's the guy you got ibuprofen from.
And there's a sensitive nurse, Mr. Treviso.
There's a Vicodin ad.
The Vicodin is coming slightly behind. We're working with what we've got, with the gauze and the toilet paper and cotton balls. Still with the Corona and the previously damaged hands. Right there. There we go. So Halloween appropriate.
Are you still wrapping him up?
Oh, we're recording it.
Let me get my video camera.
Here's the nurse. She said he wasn't too serious. Not quite hospital yet, but on the brink. On the brink. Here's Marilyn here. Marilyn was coming to supervise this whole situation. Almost wrapped this here. Let's get another view here. We got the guy with the almost Hawaiian shirt, but is not quite pulling it off. That is my dad. Chris over there acting like he's saying something, but not really. With his plain white t-shirt.
I just put this on it. Yeah.
And the only woman in the room that's probably doing any good, but is pushed far to the corner. There she is. There's the MD. She's coming in to give her advice. Pulling out her camera, recording each other. There we go. And there's the brunette Marilyn over there. Wait, where is Gabby?
You know what? I'm trying to get faint right now.
And
Can I get some donors?
As we silently leave the room, we take a last shot of the patient's face. I think the dog might be.
Don't worry about what happened. Put me out. Man, you guys are just being silly.
They're just pros. That's awesome. Look at that.
We just want to go win some money back.
We just want to get back to our game,
You guys got all drama out.
We didn't want you to cry about it while we were playing cards and then throw in an excuse why you didn't put down a particular card. So, look at that. Band-aid in the cause.
We'll take band-aids out there.
Okay. Over and out. How do I stop it? How do I stop it?
Don't worry about AIDS, man. You didn't wear your gloves. You're
How do I
wrong.
stop it from recording? Just a great view of my dad's face. Stop it from recording right there. How do you stop it from recording?
That one.